Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana continues to follow here the wave count we've been talking about now for a few days or weeks actually, since the, not weeks, but since the 9th of November. Obviously we talked about this descending triangle here, which eventually then broke to the downside. Oops, just take that triangle horizontal line here just to give you an idea and show you where we actually broke out of this triangle, which was here on the 21st of November, broke down strongly and retested from below. And it seems like Solana wants to put another low in place that would be confirmed if we go below 1122. Seems like we've got this wave 4 currently still ongoing, maybe already finished, and another fifth wave down is coming. Yesterday we talked about a possible target here for the fifth wave here in yellow, and it makes the impression to me that this wave 4 peaked here, and then we've got a 1, 2, and this is now the third wave of the fifth. That's certainly possible. And if we take a look at possible targets, we take the length of the wave 1, we could add it to the high of the fourth wave, and the target gives us the 1.618 extension. That's the second target, the lower target actually. That would give us $10.12 as a target for this fifth wave. The, let's say, less bearish target is 10.89. In the end, it doesn't make a great difference, but these are the two main targets for this fifth wave. And we then need to see if we reach these levels, how does the price actually react to them? Is this something bullish? Is this probably not? Is this going to come down straight away from here? Because overall, the target of this larger pattern takes us actually into the region between $6.38 and $7.61. So that's actually primarily where I would expect this to finish, this bear market, at least from the current point of view. And if we, however, when we hit, if we hit any of these support levels, if we only put in a corrective rally in 3 waves, that will give us a very strong clue and hint that prices will come down further. So that's why at the moment where we are in, where there's not all-time low territory, but where we're really in in a very difficult environment, we really need to take it level by level, especially with a coin like Solana, which is now more than 50% below the 88.7% FIB level, which was at $30 US. So that was not a healthy move below that level, and it needs to recover quickly. But at the moment there is no sign, and it seems like that before we do it, if Solana manages to recover, because there's never a guarantee, I think it will, but it seems like it's going to go lower before we get there. We can, obviously we've got the descending triangle here, which I'm going to reduce that trend line now, but you can possibly add another trend line here, because we need to know, you need to know at which point is this move down finished, and this is most likely the case if we break out of this trend channel to the upside. Okay, so put that channel on your chart, and as soon as we see that, we have this 5-wave move down most likely finished. But then we need to see, is this what's currently coming down here? Is this only part? Is this only part of a larger 5-wave structure? So do we say this was a wave 1, we're coming up into, there'll be a 3 and a 4 and a 5. That's actually what I would expect based on this higher degree pattern. Or, and we can never rule that out, is this move down already finished, which is always possible when we make a new low and reset the count. Then, however, after this move down, we would have to say that this red wave 5 was already finished here, and then we would want to take a look at, do we see any bullish 5-wave structure to the upside? And we can maybe carefully get a little bit more bullish as soon as we get above the high of the fourth wave here. That would be above around here, the wave E high at $13.90. then we could consider something a little bit more bullish and consider that a low might be in, but I'd be very careful in the current environment with that. So generally the trend is further down, especially as long as we're in the trend channel. Any breakouts to the upside initially would be treated as a corrective move up in a larger downtrend. Key targets here between $6.40 and $7.60, and short-term target around $10 US. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.